Welcome to Pivot Options. We will look into Banknifty analysis for tomorrow, which is 27th of July, and that's also the expiry day. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame. So we will look for 1 hour time frame first, and then we will go to 5 minutes chart. So here I have taken the top. This is the top 46,369 and the low 45,623. And from the low it went up to, and the retracement was exactly up to 0.618 Fibonacci level. See, this is the Fibonacci level. Okay, and in the 1 hour time frame there is a red candle which is a rejection sign. But what happens tomorrow, we will get into the CPR logic, and we will see what exactly happens and where it is formed. And in the 5 minutes chart, we will, the price today, it went upside, but how it went is the matter. It went like a zigzag mode, but eventually it touched 46,098, 96 level, okay? And this is the rising wedge pattern, alright? Whenever there is a rising wedge pattern, if this low or this low, if it is broken, the market will come down. Alright, this is the first analysis. We will look for any breaking of the swing low, okay, for tomorrow. Alright, so today's CPR was around here. Alright, and CPR broke. The price is price sustained above the CPR today, and it closed here. So what exactly happened? The CPR formed upside of the previous CPR. Is the trend changed now? I don't think so, because there is a rising wedge in the price action pattern, and in the 1 hour time frame it is at 0.618 level. Okay, so this indicates, there is a rejection. If for example the price opened in between R1 and CPR like this, here or here or here, anywhere, so the price can touch the CPR. Okay, since this is the trend line, it may bounce. Okay, and if it is bouncing, we will look for CE above this level, which is 46,096. Okay, so if it is breaking here and if it is making a green candle, we will just quickly scalp for 10 to 20 points to R1. Okay, and if R1 is breaking, like if it is consolidating here for some time, and if it is breaking like this, we will go for CE until the 200 level. Okay, 200, R2 level, we can reach up to R2. If it is not R2, then R3 also. If the movement is there, we will just go for R3 or up to 46,369, the previous this level, which is 46,370. Okay, and if it is breaking this, it will be R3, and the new high will be formed in the Banknifty. This is the scenario if the price opens here anywhere, and if it is not breaking the CPR. CPR breaking tomorrow indicates complete bearishness I am looking for, because there is a rising wedge pattern and it is breaking CPR, and the confirmation comes after the S1 breaking. Okay, so this is the S1 level. If the candle comes from here and if it is breaking the CPR like this, we will take P here and the stop loss will be here, and the first target is S1, second target is S2. Alright, these two levels are very important. The S2 level is 45,680. Okay, this level. And this is the scenario. Or if the price opens gap down below the CPR here or here, okay, we will just look for the price go back to the CPR. Alright, and if there is a red candle here, or if it is going and touching the upper CPR level, if there is a red candle here and if it is breaking the CPR again here, we will look for PE options only, and we will take PE here. The first target is S1 and second target is S2. This is the second scenario. And the third scenario, if it is opening completely gap down here, S1 below, and if it is forming a red candle here, okay, if it is a red candle, then take PE confidently and go for S2 target. Alright, so these are the three scenarios in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Hope Nifty, if the candle opens in this range, which is R1 and the CPR anywhere in between here or here or here, okay, if it is breaking R1 and if it is forming a green candle here, we will take CE, we will aim for R2. Okay, this is the first scenario. Or if it is opening here somewhere, first it will come down to CPR. If it is breaking CPR, we will just look for P after breaking this level, which is previous day low. If it is breaking this level, we will immediately go for P option, okay, or if it is touching previous day low like this, and if it is going to CPR, and if it is coming like this, we will take PE here. First target is S1 and the second will be S2. Okay, so this is the first scenario. Or if it is opening, okay, if it is opening a gap down tomorrow for Nifty here somewhere, okay, here somewhere, it will take support here and it may go up like this. If it is breaking the CPR, we will not be interested in CE. Okay, we will wait for the price action, because in 15 minutes chart, I will tell you, we will go for 15 minutes chart. Okay, this is the 15 minutes chart for Nifty. So what happened here? So this looks like a M pattern from here like this. This is a double top and it broke the neckline, and this is the stop loss. If it is hitting the stop loss tomorrow with a gap up, then immediately go for CE, because these people will be trapped here and it will be a short covering mode. Or it came like this. I mean, if it is opening here and it is going up, that is the scenario. If it is opening here anywhere, it will go like this, it will touch the CPR. If there is any red candle here, nice bearish candle, then go for PE and the target will be S1 first. And if it is breaking S1, it will fill this gap, which is 19,700, and this will be a support. Here anywhere, if it is forming a W pattern, you can enter here and we can long for CPR level. Okay, CPR and this level also. So I am expecting Nifty should come down to S1 and a 19,700 level. If it is breaking 19,700, it will come to S2 level. So M pattern we can look for in Nifty. In Bank Nifty, as we already know, it formed a rising wedge pattern like this. Bank Nifty, if it is breaking the CPR, we will take PE here. We will go for this low of the target. So this is a scenario in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Hope you all like it. So comment, share, like, subscribe, whatever it is. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can join our Telegram group, which is Pivot Options. I'll just put that link in the description. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.